this is LocoMan. Enjoy the time lapse. So terrible. If you don't really want to see this, just skip it. Or wait, you don't have to skip it because wait a sec, just 1 second. Because I'm not gonna do it in camera. That's all I'm gonna do on camera. You're probably gonna make fun of me because all this stuff I have to do. It's just very bad. Why did I want to blow it up? Why LocoMan? Just why? Well, I am loco, so don't know what loco means. That'd be crazy. But really, why did I try to blow it up? I could have just kept all that TNT. I mean, there's not even a multiplayer world. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Well, please comment, subscribe, or do whatever y'all guys want to do. Yeah. LocoMan.